Hello everybody, this is a Lamley unboxing. Been a while since I filmed in the backyard. Well, for you, you've seen videos in the backyard all week last week, but I was on vacation, filmed those a while ago. So I'm back. Just got this Hot Wheels US J case, 2023 J case from Mattel. We did the international J case from A&J Toys. Now we have the US case. This one has one of the great debut models in it in the Toyota Supra, right? And some other good stuff. This was a great case. I think I pulled an error from the last one too, but let's get to it. I'm actually just on, I've got a lawn chair set up because it's very, very bright today. There's quite the glare and I'm just setting up in the shade and I just want to get this video out. Get a new case, I'm gonna do it. You might see Edith in the background. She's kind of walking around exploring now. She's walking away, but you never know what you might see from that side to that side. Let's get right to it and see what is inside of this new, there's Edith. Edith, say hi. There she goes. In this brand new 2023 J case. And the one thing I did not think about is where am I going to put these as I pull them out. But let's get right to it. Let's start with the Solero GT. We talked about that one. New wheels on that one, which is very, very cool. Lamborghini Sion F KP37. Like the color on the first one from last year, but that one is nice too. And then the Corvette Grand Sport Roadster from Fast and Furious. That is nice. I did the highlight pile before, but let's go ahead and create the highlight pile over here. Put these over here. I'm going to put them on the ground or else there's going to be a disaster. 71 Plymouth GTX, very, very nice. The Glory Chaser, also nice, was a Super Treasure Hunt in the previous case. And when I pulled this one, the Dodge van and last one, that had no tampos on it, if you remember that. But this one does. Can't get all of those, right? Let's just keep on going. All right, Jaguar I-Pace E-Trophy. Talked about this is no longer a one-hit wonder. Here's the Mitsubishi Pajero Evolution, new model for 2023. That one is very cool. And the BMW i8 Roadster, also a newly minted, these are all highlights, newly minted, no longer a one-hit wonder. Edith's just out of the shot. Just right over there. She's just chilling out. All right, highlights. Okay, keep going. Oh, look, a Batmobile. Mustang is awesome in black. Matt and Debbie Hayes' 1988 Pro Street Thunderbird is also awesome in black with gold. 70 Dodge Charger we've seen. I think that was in the previous case. The Toon Dodge Charger from Fast and Furious. It is Fast and Furious mayhem right now because the movie is out. But like, isn't it funny? Movies come and go. Like, it's already kind of old news, right? Honda Super Cub Custom. That's a new model, new for 2023. I had those questions and now they're answered, right? Because on the US cases, we get the what's new and what's not. So the Super Cub, that's cool. And then the Pagani Zonda R, the recolor in blue. Can't remember if that's from a previous case, but we've seen it. So I'll just put it over here. Maybe not always in the highlight pile. And I'm making a mess already. Let's keep going. Group C Fantasy, that's kind of cool. Oh, look. A Batmobile. This one's awesome. 84 Audi Sport Quattro in black with the white rims. This is a beauty. Love the deco on it. That thing is a winner and highlight. No idea if it's in this case or supposed to be in this case or not. Sweet Driver. Sorry, I keep kind of being off to the side. There's the Sweet Driver. There's another I-Pace E-Trophy and major highlight. 17 Audi RS6 Avant returning to the main line. Nice to see it in a nice, clean, crisp green highlight pile. It goes. Unimog, recolor, Corvette Gasser, love it in the Holly Deco, and the Bricken Delivery. I was trying to remember offhand what is the regular treasure hunt is. I feel you guys told me and I've totally forgotten. Custom 11 Camaro, that's pretty cool. Roller Toaster, that's also cool. And the Peanut Butter and Jelly Toaster. And the 84 Pontiac Firebird looks nice in blue. Like that's a nice color in that one. I just like that first one they did in red, and I think that's the one I'll keep in my collection. By the way, I'm going to start doing some collection purge videos here on YouTube fairly soon, and then the cars that I purge are going to go to Whatnot, so you can buy them. More details on that later. All right, lightning bug. I think my daughter's getting dropped off. Life continues while I film videos. Fast Felion, I can't say it right, and this thing is amazing. Porsche 911 GT3 in red. Beautiful, beautiful. Love the top deco on this one. And the fact that it still gets the tail lights and the headlights already built in. That's just a winner of a casting. Edith has also noticed that someone is home. Edith, go see who's home. Is it Janie? Go see. There she goes. Oh, she's already gone. All right. 87 Ford Sierra Cosworth looks fantastic in gray. Hot Wheels Ford Transit Connect looks fantastic in, well, I mean, it looks fine. And the Bone Shaker in kind of a maroon color. That one looks really nice. And their cars all fall down. Diora 3. Oh, look, a Batmobile. Cloud Cutter. All right, now I'm just going to make a mess. Let's see what else is in here. Starting from the top here. Pagani Zonda R. We've seen that one. Oh, look, a Batmobile and the Audi Quattro again. There is the Dodge Charger. There's the Honda Super Cab Custom. There's the 70 Plymouth GTX. We've seen all of those. We have seen all of these. There's the Mustang again. There's the Solero GT. And there's the Batman Forever Batmobile. Now we're going pretty quick. We have seen those. Group C Fantasy, Pro Street Thunderbird, and the BMW i8 Roadster. Corvette Grand Sport Roadster, like we're just doing a whole repeat of the first half, right? There's the Scion FKP 37 and the Glory Chaser. I'm just gonna keep looking here. Saw the Dodge van. There's the Pajero Evolution and the Plymouth GTX. Here's some new stuff. There, that was what it was. This is the new treasure. This is the treasure hunt, right? I remember it being cool, and it is the Jeep Cherokee. I did not know this. You guys reminded me in the notes that that's right there. So there is the regular treasure hunt. That's, if I remember correctly, that's got to be the best regular treasure hunt of the year so far, the 95 Jeep Cherokee. Silverado looks cool. I really love the Lucid Air in black for sure as well. I think we can put that in the highlight pile for sure. All right. Count Muscula, looking nice in blue. Rock and Railer and Batman. Oh, look. A Batmobile. Twin Duction, HW 4-Track, and the Cloak and Dagger. Teed Off 2, a Nissan Maxima drift car in blue. That's fantastic. Love that one. Recolor, right? That goes in the pile. Guys, are you noticing something? I don't think we got the Supra at all. That's a bummer. Tuned Twin Mill, 70 Dodge Power Wagon. That looks great in blue. And Honda Civic Custom looks fantastic in white and black. Really, really nice as well. So that's a highlight. But a real bummer. I like the Dodge Power Wagon too. But a real bummer that we did not get the Supra. But you know what? It happens. Hot Wheel Braille Racer recolored in kind of a Zamac. Well, not even kind of. That is definitely Zamac. It looks awesome. Hot Wheels High and the Mad Splash. There you go. J case. Really nice case. A bit of a disappointing case because we didn't get the Supra at all. We didn't get the regular. I mean, obviously we didn't get the Super. But what are you going to do? That happens. They haven't guaranteed anything in any case. So sometimes you win, sometimes you don't. We did get it in the international case. I would assume that most cases will have at least a Super. And of course, if you have the Super, you are very, very lucky. You guys tell me what you think. I think there's highlights. We talked about those. We've already done that from the last case. Really good regular treasure hunt. Team that with the Supra. I think the Porsche is a major highlight here. Love the Audi. You know, without that Supra, it's a good case. With the Supra, it's a fantastic case. These are all nice as well. You guys tell me what you think. Thank you, everybody. Thanks, Mattel, for sending the case. Bye.